My king, how are you doing today?
Quiet! You're making me angry.
What have I done?
What happened last night?
Nothing, my king.
While I was banging you yesterday, why didn't you scream?
I tried.
Shut up! You just did, Why didn't you say Chima? I'm enjoying it. You just did, And also you lied to me that you came. You didn't come.
I came.
You didn't come.
I came.
You didn't come. You didn't come.
I said I came.
God!
Oh, goodness.
Yes, my king.
No. I'll speak the truth.
Tell me the truth. Did you come?
I know it's very difficult for me to come. I couldn't come.
You didn't come.
No.
So you were doing... You're just faking it. You must come.
I wanted you to feel better. Please, I'm sorry.
Is it that my bola is not big enough for you?
Your bola is big enough.
So why didn't you come? You must come.
No.
God told me that you didn't come.
I don't want to come.
I
Please.
said you must come.
No,
God!
I don't want to come.
Yes, my take her to my chambers. I am coming to make her come.
I don't want to come.
You must come.
I don't want to
You
come.
must come.
I don't want to.
Everybody must come.